Network configuration takes less than 5 minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Short press the setting key.
Please set the administrator password. Press the unlock button to confirm.
Input the administrator password and press the unlock key.
Please input again. Operation succeeded. Add credentials, press 1. Delete credentials, press 2. Modify administrator's password, press 3. Settings, press 4. Wi-Fi mode, press 5. QR code for camera, press 6. Press the lock button to go back.
Click Add Device. Select the Video Lock Wi-Fi category. Select QR code for camera in the upper right. Click Next. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi account and fill in the password. Aim your Tuya app QR code at the door lock camera at a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters. After you hear a dong 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 quick ringing sound and a dong 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 slow ringing sound, click I heard a prompt. Wait for connecting device. Connecting device success. Click Add Device. Select the Video Lock Wi-Fi category. Select Wi-Fi mode in the upper right. Click Next. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi account and fill in the password. Click Go to connect to the Wi-Fi of SmartLife X or Celis. The default password is 12345678. After connecting, press Return to Tuya app, and it will automatically jump to the network configuration and play a prompt tone. Wait for connecting device. Connecting device success.